Welcome back to Chef Super Chido. Man, it's been a minute. Where have I been? Life, responsibilities, working. I got sick. I lost my beard in a rap battle. A lot of things have changed, but I got a lot of things in store for you coming up. I'm going to be coming in hot. So what do we have in for today? Enchiladas Verdes. I have a couple of recipes, but this is one of my favorites. It's very basic and you're going to love it. So watch and learn. And what is it? Don't get burned. Now, what are we going to put inside this pot? 12 cloves of garlic, a few bay leaves, and a quarter onion. And we're going to let this boil for about 45 minutes. Don't burn it. So we added about 2.5 pounds of chicken. We're going to use most of it, but you can use it for something else. No big deal. For the salsa verde, we're going to put half a tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of sugar, a quarter teaspoon of pepper, 2 jalapenos, 2 chiles serranos, a quarter onion, and just, the cilantro to your liking. Now we're gonna put these bad boys on here. Our 2 jalapenos and our 2 serranos. We're gonna keep flipping them over. It's gonna take about 10 minutes. We want a charred look. It also makes it taste different. So, this is the consistency you want. This is the one we're looking for right here. Now, we're gonna blend this for about a few seconds on low. Now we're gonna put it up fast. I don't know, that was stupid, but I thought it was fun. Anyways, now that that's done, we're gonna put this in the pan. Now that it's in the pan, see how that's smoking right there? All that steam. Let it warm up for a little bit. Over here on the other side, we have our oil going. We're gonna dip our tortillas and just follow all the instructions. I don't have to keep talking. Just follow our hand movements and what we do. And then now we're gonna put it in this pan right here or right here, wherever, I don't know. Where's the pan? We're gonna put it in our pan. We're gonna put a little bit of chicken. We're gonna put a little bit of this Mexican cheese, which is called tortilla. And then we're gonna roll it up and just keep doing the same process. Once we're done, we're gonna put it in a pan. A different pan. Put some cheese on it, put it in the oven at 350 for about 10 to 15 minutes. Once that's done, serve it to your liking. And some rice on the side. And we're back. Wasn't that hard, was it? You're gonna love it. Let's get into it. I know you guys are just waiting for me to start eating so I can make a fool out of myself. Or you can cook it either way. As always, on point. So, with that being said, let me finish this. Like I said, I'm gonna have a lot of things in store for you. I have them already in the bag. I'm gonna drop 2 videos a week. One on Monday and one on Wednesday. This is gonna be the new schedule. Maybe I will drop 3 videos a week, but my aim is for 2 videos a week, Monday and Wednesday. With an occasional or a few shorts a week. Don't guarantee it, but with a few shorts a week with some simple recipes. But hey, glad you guys tuned in. You watched, you learned, and you didn't get burned.